to receive and adopt the accounts for the year ended 31/3/2025 এটা পড়ে শোনাচ্ছেন আমাদের প্রিয় নারায়ণদা। এই দুটো এজেন্ডা একসাথে আলোচনার জন্য আমি দেব।
গ্রেটার ক্যালকাটা কনজিউমার উপস্থিত সভাপতি মহাশয় এবং নেতৃবৃন্দ এবং আমার ডিস্ট্রিবিউটার বন্ধু সকলকে আমার আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা অভিনন্দন জানিয়ে আমি আমার রিপোর্টটা আপনাদের সামনে উপস্থিত করছি। গ্রেটার ক্যালকাটা কনজিউমার প্রোডাক্ট ডিস্ট্রিবিউটার অ্যাসোসিয়েশন 22 রূপচাঁদ মুখার্জি রোড লেন কলকাতা 700025 অডিট রিপোর্ট অ্যান্ড স্টেটমেন্টস অফ অ্যাকাউন্ট ফর দ্য ইয়ার এন্ডেড March 31, 2025 I.N. Das and Company Chartered Accountant 9 Kiran Shankar Rai Road Kolkata 70001 Receipts and payments. Receipts opening balance April 1st, 2024. Cash in hand in savings account with Indian Bank Goria branch. Account number 20072751147. Bank 53,025 and 50 paise only. Sorry. Thank you. Cash in hand April 1st, 2024, cash in hand 53,025 and 50 paise only in savings account with Indian Bank Goria branch, account number 2072751147, 1,78,175 and 10 paise only. Bank of India, Lindsay Street, account number 40121021000020. 1,000 only. That is total bank 2,32,260 paise only. Collection from members. Admission fee not central unit 4,750 rupees. South Kolkata unit 3,750 paise only. 3,050 rupees. Howrah unit 3,750 rupees. Total admission fee 12,250. Subscription not central unit 73,200. South Kolkata unit 81,000 rupees and Howrah unit 42,001 rupees. To total subscription 1,96,201 only. Total collection from members 2,08,451 rupees. Donation from members and patrons 1,24,901. Other receipts, bank interest on fixed deposit 86,171 rupees. Bank interest on savings account 3,357 and 66 paise only. Collection from advertisement 2,11,900 rupees. So total other receipt 3,01,428 and 66 paise only. Total receipts 8,66,981 rupees and 26 paise only. So payment by service charge for the office accommodation 19,200. Salary of office assistant 12,000. Bonus of office assistant 1,000. Unit expense not central unit 38,248 rupees. South Kolkata unit 52,674 rupees. Howrah unit 9,329 rupees. So total office expenses 1,10,251 rupees. Printing and stationery 4,370. Meeting and entertainment 28,119 rupees. Annual general meeting 2,22,667. Establishment expenses 12,995 rupees. Traveling and conveyance 700 rupees. Distributors Day celebration 22,355 rupees. West Bengal Distributors Association West Bengal Distributors Association membership 1,080 rupees. Confederation of West Bengal Traders Association 3,540 rupees. So total membership 4,620 rupees only. Audit fee 2324 3,000. Bank charges 472 rupees. Investment in fixed deposit with Indian Bank Goria branch 1,86,171 only. Security deposit with Howrah Municipal Corporation Sarat Sadan 7,500 rupees. Closing balance March 31st 2025. Cash in hand 77,689 rupees and 70 only. In savings account with Indian Bank Goria branch account 2007275 1147 1,03,950 rupees 90 only. Bank of India Linz Estate account number 40121021000020 51,965 rupees and 66 only. So total bank balance 2,33,561 rupees 26 Total payments 8,66,981 rupees and 26 So income and expenditure. Collection from member subscription 1,96 rupees 96,201 1,96,201 rupees. Donation from members and patrons 1,24,901 rupees. Others receipts bank interest on fixed deposit 86,171 rupees. Bank interest on savings account 3,357 rupees and 66 Collection from advertisement 2,11,900 rupees only, that is 3,01,428 rupees 66 Total income 6,22,530 rupees and 66 only. Expenditure service charges for office accommodation 19,200. Salary of office assistant 12,000. Bonus 1,000. Office expenses North Central unit 38,248 rupees. South Kolkata unit 52,674 rupees. Howrah unit 19,329 rupees. Total 1,10,251 rupees only. Printing stationery 4,370 rupees. Meeting entertainment 28,119 rupees. Annual general meeting expenses 2,22,000 rupees 667 rupees. Establishment expenses 12,995 rupees 12,995 rupees only. Traveling conveyance 700 rupees. Distributors Day celebration 20,355. Subscription to West Bengal Distributor Association 1,080 rupees. Confederation of West Bengal Traders Association 3,540 rupees. That is total subscription fee 4,620 rupees. Audit fee 3,000 rupees. Bank charges 472 rupees. Depreciation on furniture and fixture at the rate of 10% 353 rupees. Balance being expenses of income over expenditure for the year transferred to accumulated funds 1,82,428 rupees 66 only, that is 6,22,530 rupees 66 Balance sheet as at March 31st 2025. Assets, fixed assets furniture and fixture. As per last account, 3,534 rupees, less depreciation for the year, 353 rupees, that is total furniture and fixture, 3,181 rupees. Investment in fixed deposit with Indian Bank, Goria branch, 16,431 rupees. Current assets, cash and bank balance, cash in hand, 77,689 rupees and 70 paise. In savings account, Indian Bank, Goria branch, account number 20072751147, 1,03,905 and 90 paise only. Bank of India, Lindsay Street branch, account number 4012102100000020, 51,965 rupees and 66 paise only. So total current asset bank 2,33,561 rupees and 26 paise only. Security deposit with Bharatiya Vidya Bhasha Parishad 3,000 rupees, with the National Council Education Indumati Hall 2,000, and with Howrah Municipal Corporation Sarod Sadan 7,500. Total security deposit 12,500 rupees, that is 18,65,655 rupees 26 paise. Accumulated fund, liabilities, accumulated fund as per last account, admission fee for as per last account 16,67,976 rupees 60 paise. As per last account, accumulated fund as per last account 16,67,976 rupees and 60 paise only. Admission fee from members 12,250 rupees only. Expenditure for the year 1,82,428 rupees 66 paise only. Sorry, একটু ভুল হচ্ছে। Excess of income over expenditure for the year. Okay, excess of income over expenditure for the year 1,82,428 rupees 66 paise only. So total accumulated fund 18,62,000 rupees and 65 only. 18,62,655 rupees and 26 paise only. Current liabilities and previous audit fee 3,000 rupees, that is 18,65,655 rupees and 26 paise only.